Good morning. I am Dr. Pranita Valve, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering of MVP Samajas KBT College of Engineering, Nashik. In Savitribai Phule Pune University, Fluid Mechanics subject is assigned for the second year civil engineering student. Let's see the course objective. First objective is to understand conceptually properties of the fluid, fluid statics, fluid kinematics, and fluid dynamics, dimension analysis, Pont-Helier theory, open channel flow, and flow around the submerged objectives. Second objective is apply the principles of continuity, mass, momentum, and energy as applied to the fluid at rest as well as for the fluid in the open channel. And third objective is to apply the fundamental principles of the fluid mechanics for the solution of practical civil engineering problems. In Unit 1, first part is properties of fluid. Before studying the properties, we will see what is the basics of these fluids. Generally in nature, matter is available in the three states, solids, liquids, and in the gaseous states. Whenever we are applying any force to the solids, then there is a change in shape or the behavior of the solids can be changed. But liquids and gases is not the case. Now liquids and gases is combinedly called as the fluids. When any fluid is poured in the container, they occupy the shape of the container. Liquids may be considered to have the fixed volume, therefore can have the free surface. Liquids are almost incompressible. But this is not the case with the gases. Gases are compressible and they can expand to the container of they occupy. Let us see the definition of the fluids. Fluids have the capability to flow. It does not have any definite shape, but they can occupy the shape of the container which is they are having. Fluids is a substance which is conformed continuously under the action of the shear forces. Therefore, fluid can be defined as the substance which has capability to flow and which conform continuously under the action of the shear forces. Now let us see the definition of the fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is nothing but the branch of the science which deals with the behavior of the fluid when it is at rest condition as well as in the motion. Static, kinematics and dynamic behavior of the fluids can be studied in this branch of the mechanics. Fluid mechanics is divided into the three branches: fluid statics, fluid kinematics and fluid dynamics. When the study of the fluid is carried out when it is at rest condition, then that branch of the fluid mechanics we call it as a fluid statics. The study of the fluid in motion where pressure forces are not considered are called as the fluid kinematics. And if pressure forces are also considered for the study of the fluid in motion, then that branch of the science we call it as a fluid dynamics. Study of the fluid mechanics is important because it has the wide application in civil engineering, like in the field of hydraulics, hydrology, irrigation engineering, design of the hydraulic machines, which focuses on the different properties of the fluids.